Hello friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about the importance of knowing coloritus and graphology and how this knowledge of coloritus or graphology can be put to use in our daily life, which will help us to make our life more comfortable and bring more ease in our life while dealing with various events, situation, or while dealing with the people. Now, see, my main emphasis has been like things should be easy to understand. So the knowledge of coloritus and graphology has brought a lot of clarity in my life. Now, when I say the knowledge of coloritus and graphology has brought a lot of clarity in my life, so what do I mean by that? So let me just share a daily life example which will help you to gain more clarity about this particular subject, like how coloritus brings more clarity and how it helps us to bring more comfort and ease in our life. So it used to happen like that. Earlier, whenever I have to do certain exercises, like in morning I have to do exercise at predetermined time, it used to happen that there used to be a lot of resistance within, and it was easier for me to delay it or postpone it, saying that okay, right now I'm not in the mood to do this, I'll do it in the evening. Right now I have to do a lot of other works also, so it was easier for me to postpone that work, and then in the evening when I had to do the exercise at scheduled time or predetermined time, then again I used to think, or thought used to come, no, I should have done this particular exercise in the morning. Why I did not do it? Like there used to be some self-criticism, and the intention was still the same. I felt like postponing that particular work at that particular moment. So in short, it was happening that like I was not doing my exercise, and it was just getting postponed, and every time that anger was coming up within me, and I was not able to understand as to why this is happening with me. Doing exercise is a simple thing. Yes, I have to do it and I should be able to do it. Whereas when actually it comes to doing the exercises, there was a lot of resistance within me. And it was again a constant battle, like I have to use my willpower and do it. So doing this particular thing on daily basis, then it was becoming more of a difficult task for me, right? It was like fighting against myself. That was an internal battle. So I started just closely observing my own behavior, and just I wanted to understand this. So it just happened that like when I started to understand the underlying belief which was driving me to behave, feel, and think this way, then it became more easier for me to gain the clarity. And once I have clarity, then it was a easy task for me. Like rather I can say I was enjoying this whenever like I used to come across these kind of situation, like okay, now I have to do exercises and this particular resistance is building up within me that I want to postpone it. So it was altogether like a beautiful experience, like wherein I used to look forward towards this, and I was able to overcome it without forcing myself. So it was a very enjoyable learning experience for me. which I have done it using this knowledge of color test and graphology. The color test and graphology has given me that idea to identify those hidden and subtle beliefs which create the resistance, internal resistance. Now, if I don't have, or if I don't understand or identify those beliefs, then this will be always a constant battle, and I will tend to postpone it, and then in that process again the self criticism will start, and the cycle will keep on repeating. That will be a habitual process. So once I understood my beliefs which was contributing to this kind of self-defeating behavior, it became easier for me to overcome it, and it was a very enjoyable experience for me. So this was just a small example, like how the knowledge of color test and graphology helps in gaining the clarity which is underlying all this self-defeating behavior. And once we have that particular clarity, then it becomes much easier and an enjoyable experience for us to overcome those particular problems which are going to create problems for us on the long-term basis. So that's it, like about the application of color test and graphology in our daily life. Thank you so much. Take care.